Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learning English USA. My name is Jessica, and I am very happy to be here with you today. Thank you for joining me for another slow and easy English lesson. Today's lesson is all about daily routine vocabulary. We will learn common English words and expressions that people use every day from the moment they wake up until they go to bed at night. This lesson is designed especially for beginners who want to improve their listening skills, vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence in English. Before we begin, take a moment to relax, sit comfortably, and listen carefully. Remember that you do not need to understand every word immediately. The goal is to train your ears and become familiar with everyday English. The more you listen, the easier English becomes. Try to imagine each situation in your mind as you listen. This will help you remember the vocabulary more naturally. Let's start at the beginning of the day. Every morning begins with waking up. Imagine that it is 6 o'clock in the morning. Your alarm clock rings. You open your eyes and slowly wake up. One of the first phrases we use is wake up. Wake up means to stop sleeping and become awake. Many people wake up early because they have work, school, or other responsibilities. Some people wake up at 5 o'clock. Others wake up at 7 or 8 o'clock. Everyone has a different routine. After waking up, many people stretch their bodies. Stretching helps the muscles relax and prepares the body for the day. Then people get out of bed. Get out of bed means leaving the bed after sleeping. This is a very common phrase in English. Next, people often make their bed. Making the bed means arranging the blanket, pillows, and sheets neatly. Some people do this every morning because it makes their room look clean and organized. After making the bed, many people go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, they brush their teeth. Brush your teeth means cleaning your teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. This is an important daily habit. After brushing their teeth, people wash their face. Wash your face means cleaning your face with water. Some people also take a shower. Take a shower means washing your body with water and soap. After showering, people get dressed. Get dressed means putting on clothes. Before getting dressed, they choose their clothes for the day. Some people wear business clothes to work. Some wear uniforms. Others wear casual clothes. Now, the day has officially started. Many people then go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Common breakfast foods include eggs, toast, cereal, fruit, yogurt, pancakes, and coffee. Some people eat a large breakfast, while others prefer something small. Imagine sitting at the kitchen table. You are eating breakfast and drinking a cup of coffee. Outside the window, the sun is rising. The world feels calm and peaceful. This is a wonderful time to listen to English and practice new vocabulary. After breakfast, many people check their phones. Check your phone means looking at messages, emails, or notifications. In today's world, this has become a common part of daily life. Some people also read the news or check the weather forecast before leaving home. Now it is time to go to work or school. Many people leave the house and begin their commute. Commute means traveling from home to work or school. Some people drive a car, some take a bus, others ride a bicycle or walk. Imagine a man named David. David leaves his house at 7:30 every morning. He drives to work. During his commute, he listens to English podcasts to improve his language skills. This is a great habit because listening practice can be done almost anywhere. When David arrives at work, he greets his coworkers. He says good morning. They smile and reply good morning. Greetings are an important part of daily communication. Simple greetings help create friendly relationships. Throughout the morning, David works on different tasks. He answers emails, attends meetings, and talks with coworkers. Words such as meeting, project, report, schedule, and deadline are common workplace vocabulary words. Meanwhile, another person named Sarah is at school. She attends classes, takes notes, asks questions, and studies with her classmates. Common school vocabulary includes classroom, teacher, student, homework, lesson, exam, and notebook. Around noon, people usually have lunch. Lunch is the second meal of the day. Some people bring lunch from home. Others eat at a restaurant or cafeteria. Lunch is often a time to relax and socialize with friends or coworkers. Imagine Sarah sitting with her friends during lunch. They talk about their day. They discuss their classes, hobbies, and weekend plans. These simple conversations help people connect with each other. After lunch, people return to work or school. The afternoon is often a busy time. People continue working on projects, completing assignments, attending meetings, and solving problems. Productivity is an important word. Productivity means completing tasks efficiently and effectively. As the afternoon continues, people may feel tired. Some drink coffee or tea to stay energized. Others take short breaks. Taking a break means resting for a few minutes before continuing work. Eventually, the workday or school day comes to an end. People finish their tasks and prepare to go home. They pack their bags, say goodbye to coworkers or classmates, and begin their journey home. When people arrive home, they often want to relax. Relax means resting and reducing stress. Some people sit on the couch and watch television. Others listen to music, read books, or spend time with family. Imagine David arriving home after work. He changes into comfortable clothes and sits down for a few minutes. Then he begins preparing dinner. Dinner is usually the final large meal of the day. Cooking is an important daily activity. Common cooking vocabulary includes chop, slice, boil, fry, bake, stir, and serve. Some people enjoy cooking while others prefer ordering food from restaurants. After dinner, many families spend time together. They talk about their day, share stories, and enjoy each other's company. Family conversations are important because they strengthen relationships and improve communication. Some people spend the evening exercising. Exercise includes activities such as walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or going to the gym. Exercise helps people stay healthy and strong. Others use the evening to study English. They review vocabulary, practice speaking, watch educational videos, or listen to podcasts. Even 20 minutes of practice each day can produce excellent results over time. Now, let's learn some useful daily routine expressions. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I brush my teeth After breakfast, I take a shower before work. I get dressed quickly. I eat breakfast with my family. I leave home at 7:30. I go to work by bus. I start work at 8 o'clock. I have lunch at noon. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I return home in the evening. I eat dinner with my family. I watch television before bed. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. These are simple sentences that English speakers use every day. Now let's imagine a complete daily routine. Emma wakes up at 6:30 every morning. She gets out of bed and makes her bed. Then she goes to the bathroom and brushes her teeth. After that, she takes a shower and gets dressed. She prepares breakfast and enjoys a cup of tea. While eating breakfast, she listens to an English lesson online. At 7:45, Emma leaves home and takes the train to work. She arrives at the office at 8:30. During the day, she answers emails, attends meetings, and works on important projects. At noon, she has lunch with her coworkers. They talk about movies, travel, and future plans. After lunch, Emma returns to her desk and continues working. At 5 o'clock, Emma finishes work and goes home. In the evening, she exercises for 30 minutes. Then she prepares dinner and eats with her family. After dinner, she reads a book and studies English vocabulary. Finally, she brushes her teeth, changes into pajamas, and goes to bed at 10:30. This is an example of a simple and healthy daily routine. Vocabulary becomes easier to remember when connected to real-life situations. Instead of memorizing random words, try learning vocabulary through stories and routines. This helps your brain understand how words are used naturally. Now let's practice some important daily routine vocabulary together. Wake up, get up, make the bed, brush your teeth, wash your face, take a shower, get dressed, prepare breakfast, eat breakfast, drink coffee, leave home, go to work, attend meetings, study English, have lunch, take a break, finish work, go home, cook dinner, spend time with family, watch television, read a book, go to bed, go to sleep. These words and phrases appear frequently in everyday conversations. One of the best ways to improve English is by describing your own daily routine. For example, you can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I eat breakfast and go to work. Practicing simple sentences like these builds confidence and fluency. Remember that language learning is a journey. Every new word you learn brings you closer to your goals. You do not need to learn hundreds of words in one day. Learning a few words every day is enough. Small progress creates big results over time. Imagine learning 5 new words every day. After 1 month, you will know approximately 150 new words. After 1 year, you will know thousands of useful English words. This is the power of consistency. Many successful English learners follow a simple routine. They listen every day. They read every day. They practice speaking every day. They do not wait for perfect conditions. They simply continue learning step by step. If you sometimes feel discouraged, remember that every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Everyone starts with basic words and simple sentences. Improvement comes through practice, patience, and persistence. As we finish today's lesson, take a moment to think about your own daily routine. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? How do you spend your day? Try describing your routine in English. Even simple sentences are excellent. Practice. Thank you for joining me today for this slow and easy English lesson on daily routine vocabulary. I hope this lesson helped you learn useful words and expressions that you can use every day. This is Jessica from Learning English USA. Keep listening, keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, never give up. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye, everyone.